Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can use your FirstBank mobile app for transaction with the bank. How you can use FirstBank mobile app for all your transactions with the bank. As you may know, FirstBank is one of the oldest banks in Nigeria, and they also have an app their customers can use to access their accounts, make other transactions with the bank. And FirstBank FirstBank app is one of the best bank app in Nigeria. So how do you use this app effectively? To use the app, all you have to do is you can go to firstbankonline.com. To download the app, you can go to firstbankonline.com. You go to the web address of FirstBank is firstbankonline.com. So if you click on FirstBank, if you just type on your web address, type firstbankonline.com, it will display your website. You can go and download the app there. You can get it on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. You can also go to visit Google Play Store directly and search for FirstBank app. You can download it there and have access to the app. So you can also go to App Store. And download the app also from App Store. So either from Google Play Store or from the App Store. So there's something unique about this app. This bank app, is what we call seamless. It's seamless. Once your transaction is going, you see it's rolling, in a circular, motion. Once it's successful, it is placed successful for you. You see it's very seamless, very, very easy to use and seamless. And you can use that to make most of your transactions. What are the things you can do with it? One is that you can use it to do what? You can use it to check your balances. You have account, probably somebody sent money to your bank account. You want to know the balance in your account. With the app, you can check your balance. You went to POS to withdraw money. You don't know whether the money went or not. You can use the app to check your balance. If you make any transaction, you transfer money to somebody, you can use the app to check your balance. So the app is very, very reliable, and user friendly. So you can easily access the app to check your balance. Number two is that you can use it to make payments. You can use the app to make payments. So if you go to POS kiosk to make transfers, you can use the app to do what? To do transfers. You can use to make payments, pay for any goods and services. It could be goods you purchase in the store. It could be maybe you want to order food. You can use to order anything. So the app can be used to make all kinds of payments. You can also use that to transfer funds. You want to transfer funds to somebody or group of people, you can use that app to transfer funds. You can use that also the same app to manage and pay bills. You want to pay for your NEPA bill, your PHCN bill. You can use the app to pay for your PHCN bill. The power holding company's bill, that is electricity bill. You can use your app to pay for that bill. You want to pay for your water bill, you can use the app to also pay for your water bill. So any bill you want to pay, you can use that to do. You want to pay for your DSTV, your cable, you can use that to do, like I said before. So you also want to deposit check with your bank, so you can use that mobile app to do what? To make deposit of that check, and it will be confirmed, and the money will be credited into your bank account. So you can use that to do that. You can also use the app to do what? To simplify financial transactions, all kinds of financial transactions. You can also use to tag transactions. You can also use to do debit card control your debit cards, spendings and all that. Even if it's stolen, you can also use that to block the debit card and all that. So you can use to control your debit card. So that is the beauty of this FirstBank mobile app. So if you are a FirstBank customer and you are not using the app, I encourage you to start making use of the app, because the app is very, very good. You can also use the app to check ATM locations. You might say, oh, I want to do ATM, or you are new to a particular city in Nigeria, you want to know where their ATM is. You can use the app also to check the location of an ATM closest to you or nearest to you. You can also use that to also get travel notices. When you get to, now you can set it up to get travel notices by entering your destination and travel dates without calling the bank. So you can get that also done with the app. So I will encourage you to download the app if you are not using the app. And if you have any issue with the app, do not hesitate to let us know. Like I said, you can just go to the website firstbankonline.com. You can just click on this Google Play to download the app, or go to App Store if you're using a that these are two different set of phones. If you are on iPhone, you go to App Store to download the app. If you are using an Android phone, you go to Google Play Store to download the app there. If you just go to FirstBankOnline.com, or you can go straight to App Store directly and get it downloaded. Also, you can go to Google Play Store directly and also get it downloaded, and you will enjoy the full features of the application. You can also use that app to open an account with FirstBank. Open the account, click on open account, add your BVN, add your name, add your date of birth, and automatically the account is open for you. So I believe this little tutorial on this is helpful. If you have any question, do not forget to use our comment box below to ask your question. This video there's a comment box down. If you have any question, any experience with FirstBank, do not forget to use that comment box below to just tell us your experience. And any question, just use it also to ask your questions, and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. To everything, just click on the red button below and subscribe, and share you can also share the video with your friends, that also customers of the bank. You can see that you can also use that same app. You can also create a mobile wallet. You can also use to do other transactions. Create a mobile wallet that will be linked to your debit card, and it's a very, very flexible application, user-friendly application, simple to use and all that, and one of the best bank app in Nigeria. So I recommend it for you to download if you're a banker, if you're a FirstBank customer, and hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.